Ever taken a photo but forgot where you snapped it? This is important because adding location info helps you find your memories easily later. Here, I'll show you how to add location details to photos you've already taken on your Samsung phone. Let's get started. Open up the Gallery app, then open the photo. Next, tap on the eye icon. Here, you'll find the edit option next to the date. Just tap on it. Here, you'll find the no location information. And the plus icon next to no location information at the below. Just tap on the plus icon, and that opens a map. Now tap on the search bar from the top and search your location. And then tap Done. Here, your location is set. Now tap Save from the below. That's it, everyone. Adding location info to photos on your Samsung phone is really simple. I hope this guide helped you make your photo gallery even better. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and tap the bell to get notified. See you next time, and happy snapping!